Hey, assalamu everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today we're going to be talking about a very, very important topic here. What really brings money into crypto? No one's talking about this. Where does crypto get its money? Why are people making so much money? Okay, so let me explain to you. In the early 2000s, when the dot-com boom happened, a lot of money came into crypto as investors and traders. Into stocks, into IPOs, initial price offerings of new projects. And because anything that had to do with tech was doing well, a lot of funding was going into it, so they thought, oh, we can make money. And it was genuinely overvalued stocks, overvalued IPOs, that just kept rotating up, and money kept coming in, and people were making 2x, 3x, 4x a year. It's a very similar situation where there's a lot of money coming into crypto due to the potential of what it could be in the next 10 years. This is where the money is coming into crypto, and it's affecting the prices, affecting the projects, affecting everything. And this is where you need to understand, where is the money going correct, so you can benefit from this also. Remember, as I said before, 90% of projects are going to fail. 95% of projects are probably even fake, and they're going to fail in this crypto world. But you need to find that 5% and invest in it smartly so you can make that money. I'll explain to you. So when a project gets started, money gets injected into the project. From that money being injected in the project, it makes a bigger liquidity pool. From that, when they launch the token, there's already a liquidity to that token. There's already a value to that token. Then more people trade into that token, more money comes into it. But it's very important you understand, 1 second, just for everybody, for the channel, you gotta like, come on, you gotta share, you gotta subscribe. You've been watching these videos, you gotta do all this stuff. I'm teaching you how to make that mashallah money. Inshallah, you make that mashallah money. Utility versus hype, okay? Hype, you just promote market. I'm a head of marketing. I know what marketing means. You can promote marketing, and that token gets hyped up and it goes up. Or B, you can go for utility, where it's, oh, okay, for this ecosystem to flourish or just to work, you need this specific token to do transactions, to do something, to make things happen. One big example of this is Ethereum, okay? The reason why Ethereum doesn't crash as bad is because Ethereum, there's a utility, there's a use case to it. Ethereum cannot crash because there's such high projects that are linked to it. There's a use for it, there's a need for it. There's people, if they want to do transactions on a daily basis, they need to use Ethereum to make that transaction happen. Same thing with BNB, right? The one bigger use case is that trying to bring Web 3.0 onto Web 2.0 based solutions, or just general hardware solutions, they use projects like Ethereum. Many years ago, Toyota tried using Ethereum. There's actual articles about this, you can read about it. But they didn't go through with it, blah, blah, blah. But what I'm trying to say is that there is use cases like this, and that's what brings utility, not hype. Obviously, when there's real utility, there's also going to be a little bit of hype, and real hype, that's fine. But you want to be making sure you're not buying into the dream, and you're not just investing into hype. This is where I'm talking about, where money comes into crypto is sometimes not the best way of coming into crypto. Same thing, not the best way of coming into stocks. Sometimes not the best way of coming into real estate. But when you look at your real utility, that's where if you invest, most likely you're going to succeed. Other than that, guys, if you guys are using his solutions, let me know how it's been going for you, what's going on with you guys. Have you guys made profits, losses, all that stuff, and what new things he's coming up with for you guys to make money. Let me know. Inshallah. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.